A great way to order health supplements and have them delivered to you regularly is with the Simply Nutrients auto subscription program. So we'll use NutriDyn Fruits and Greens as an example. Espresso is one of my favorite flavors, so I'm going to select that. I'd like one of them, and because it's just me, I'll have it delivered every 30 days. And your delivery frequencies can be every 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, or 90 days. So I'm going to come down here and select 30 days. And now that I've got my flavor, my quantity, and my frequency, I'm going to hit Add to Cart. And once I have in the cart here, I'm going to proceed to check out. And you can see down here it says frequency deliver every 30 days. So I've already signed in as its test account here. I've got a test address in here. I'm going to continue. It's going to ask me for my billing information here. So before I put that in, though, notice it does say deliver every 30 days. So if you want to know how often you're getting it, it says it right up here in the cart summary. So once I put my credit card information in and hit the place order button, this is a screen I get. So I get an order number. Again, it tells me I'm delivering every 30 days, tells me what I've ordered, and away I go. So once you've done this, if you want to know what subscriptions you have, you can head over to the account here and head into Manage Auto Ship. And you can see right here if you hit subscriptions. Okay, just had to refresh my screen. So now you can see that I've got my subscription here. And you can see it's for $43.25 every 30 days for Fruits and Greens Daily Drink, espresso flavor. My next payment date will be August 28th. So that's right around when the next order will ship. Now, if I want to edit this, I just come up here to the edit, and I can update my payment method. Say my credit card may have changed. I could update my shipping address. Maybe I'm on vacation, need to send it to the beach house. You could skip the next reoccurrence, so that would move it from August 28th to September 28th. Or you can cancel the subscription. So those are all the ways you can manage your subscription. If you want to change the date of your subscription, like let's say your kids really love your Fruits and Greens drink and they drank half of it up and you need one to go at August 15th, then you can just email or call customer service and they can change that on the back end and update your subscription accordingly. So that's how to manage your subscriptions with Simply Nutrients.